Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the spring lettering box. I cannot wait to show this to you. Let's jump in. I'm so excited to show you what's coming in this box, so let's get into it. The first thing that I want to show you is the stamp because it will help reveal the theme of this box. It is a happy birthday wax seal stamp and I love it so much. So this is one that I've designed. It's on 30mm brass round. It comes with a handle back there, but you can see, look how gorgeous. So it says happy birthday, and then it has these beautiful florals and leaves around the top and the bottom. And the wax colors for the box, these are voted on by all the subscribers, the members of the lettering box. We've got vanilla blush and seafoam green. So let me show you what the seal looks like when it's pressed. So this is in the vanilla blush. It's so cute. And honestly, I love that the letters, a lot of times with stamps with letters, even the ones I've done, they're a little too small, but I really like these ones, how large the letters are on this. With the cute little florals, they are so fun. So that's the first thing. With every lettering box, you always get 2 wax sticks and you get a stamp. And so this was one that's designed by me. There's no other way to get this except by ordering this box. Let me show you what else is coming in this cute little birthday box. So excited about these. These are some cute little mini gift bags. There's 3 different designs. So there's this one that's just a really cute stripe that has kind of the colors. We're coordinating the colors from the waxes. We've got this one that says, "Yay, it's your birthday." Same font as the stamp. And this one is really cute. Just a very light pink with a plaid gold foil. And I love the ribbon on these. So this is how it looks with the handle out. And you can see it's such a cute little size. So it's so perfect for just small, cute, thoughtful little gifts. But so you get 6 of these cute little bags. So that's the first part. And then you also get the happy birthday card set. So this is so fun. So the envelopes are a really soft off-white, which I love and kind of matches the vibe of this box. And there's a few different designs. So there's happy birthday. And of course, everything's color coordinating. It's matching, so it all goes together. So you get 3 of each design. There's this one that says, "Yay, it's your birthday." Notice the floral motif here matches the seal and the font again. This one says, "Cheers to you." And a little birthday wish with a cute little cupcake. Again, very similar with the floral motif here as well, which I love. So there's 12 of these cards in total. They're just blank on the inside. So that's going to be perfect for adding a personalized little note. And then we are going to be doing some fun lettering, birthday lettering on all of the envelopes. Next is this little tag set. I am so in love with these tags. They are very thick and I love them because they are not bending. Look how thick these are. Perfect for lettering, perfect little canvas for lettering with the gold eyelet. So these are going to be great to add onto your gift tag or your gift bags or to add to a separate gift as well. But perfect for lettering and just such a nice size with these. I love them so much. Also chiffon ribbon. I love it and I love adding a wax seal to it. So that's going to be so pretty, almost a tone on tone with the pink. We're really colorful, springy this way, but I love wrapping gifts with this ribbon, and so that's why that's in here. And then of course at the end, I have a lettering workbook for you. So the style we'll be doing is faux calligraphy. So you have lettering examples in here, but you also have tracing paper on the back. And the pen that comes with this box is the Tombow Twin Tone. So you've got a really fine black tip on this side, and the other side you have a little bit of a broader tip. So this is going to be great for lettering on our tags, on our envelopes. It is going to be so fun. So again, you're getting the workbook and your pen. You're getting the 12 happy birthday card set, 6 gift tags, your ribbon, your sealing wax, your tags, and your stamp. And I have one bonus for you. So this is a little bonus. This is for everyone who are existing subscribers, and as a little thank you for continuing to subscribe, this is a bonus for everyone who orders the box by May 14th. So I love these. These are highlighters, but I'm just going to show you. They're all like pastel kind of tones. They very much match the box. You've got the sea foam and vanilla blush with a little bit darker, but you can see you have this side that's more of a highlighter, and then you have this side that's more of a pen. So we are going to be having so much fun doing some fun birthday lettering. I love having a little bit larger pens for larger projects like birthday things, like birthday signs and posters. And so this is just a little bonus. If you order the box by May 14th, this will be included. It's an early bird bonus. And for anyone who is an existing subscribers, you guys automatically get this as a little thank you for being amazing and continuing to get the lettering box. This box is going to ship out between May 19th and May 21st. And so I would love to have you join. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. But I'm so excited for all my existing members to get this box and all of you new members who join as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to join the lettering box and become a member, check out the link in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. I love sharing wax seal and lettering tips every week. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys next time.